Great fun, wonderful little variation. Saltando is a lot of fun if you know how to do it. So remember, when you're practicing this, you're trying to engage the fingers and the wrist most of all, and forearm, but definitely not the elbow. So make sure there's no motion like this, and mostly like this. So a few things to take under control. First, make sure the bow is tightened to an appropriate level, not too tight, but also not too loose. So you kind of have to play around with the setting to find the right amount. And find the spot where the bow is bouncing best. Mine happens to be right here, slightly below the middle. So once you kind of achieve this momentum, things get a lot easier. The bow just kind of, happens to move under this kind of inertia, momentum, So that's why he writes accent from the beginning. And from that point on, it really takes very little effort to kind of keep the momentum going. The hardest part is going to be crossing the strings, as usual. So just be mindful of that, because that is probably the most dangerous areas where you might lose control over this bouncy saltando bow stroke. Otherwise, it's really just great fun, quiet, and really interesting little exercise to play. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.